Planning to install a handheld shower, but not sure where to begin? With just a few simple steps, you can replace your old shower head and have your new hand shower installed in minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to install a handheld shower, connect the hose and shower mount, and check everything for a leak-free installation. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Handheld shower kits and mounting hardware may vary slightly depending on the brand and model. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove. Start by removing the existing shower head from the shower arm. Using a pair of pliers, turn the nut on the back of the shower head counterclockwise until it loosens. Once it's free, unthread the shower head by hand and remove it completely. Next, wrap the shower arm threads with 2 or 3 layers of Teflon tape, applying the tape in a clockwise direction to help create a proper seal. Step 2. Install. Thread the new shower mount onto the shower arm by turning it clockwise. Once it's snug, position the outlet so it's pointing straight down. Now take the shower hose and check that the rubber washer is installed inside the hose nut. Thread that end of the hose onto the bottom of the shower mount and hand tighten it. Then connect the opposite end of the hose to the handheld shower by threading it clockwise until secure. Finally, place the handheld shower into the shower mount. Step 3. Test. Turn on the shower and inspect all the connections for leaks. If everything stays dry, the installation is complete. If your handheld shower features touch-clean spray tips, you can simply rub the spray openings with your fingers whenever mineral buildup reduces the water flow. And that's how to install a handheld shower. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.